Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in web development. Why you might want to choose TypeScript over JavaScript for your next project. If you've been hearing about TypeScript but aren't sure what all the fuss is about, stick around. I'll be breaking down some key advantages with examples that will make it all clear. First up, let's talk about type safety. JavaScript is a flexible language, but this flexibility can sometimes lead to unexpected results. Take a look at this JavaScript example. Notice how passing a string instead of a number doesn't cause an error? Instead, it just concatenates the values, which isn't what we want. Now, here's how TypeScript handles the same scenario. TypeScript requires you to specify types, which means it catches errors like this during compile time, not run time. This helps prevent bugs before they even happen. Another big advantage of TypeScript is improved IDE integration. If you're using a modern editor like Visual Studio Code, TypeScript offers powerful tooling right out of the box. For example, let's define an interface in TypeScript. With TypeScript, as soon as you start typing user, IntelliSense kicks in, showing you all the available properties and methods. This makes coding faster and helps reduce errors. Now let's talk about refactoring. In large codebases, making changes can be risky if you're not sure where those changes might break things. TypeScript makes this easier. Here, we changed the name property to full name in the user interface. TypeScript will immediately flag any part of the code that still uses the old name property, making it easy to update your code confidently. So, there you have it. 3 solid reasons why TypeScript could be a better choice than JavaScript for your next project. The added type safety, improved IDE integration, and easier refactoring make it a powerful tool, especially for larger code bases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, are you Team TypeScript or still sticking with JavaScript? I'd love to hear your thoughts.